वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे अर्न मनी विद पाइथन इन 2023 सीक्रेट वेज। पाइथन के ज़रिए आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं हम डिस्कस करेंगे आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो को। आई नो दैट यू मे हैव रीड दिस title of earn money with Python and you have seen that everyone tell you same thing like freelancing, creating a website or blog, getting a full-time job, becoming a Python teacher, participating in coding competition, etc. But the problem with competition means many people are already doing the same thing which you are going to do. So now what the solution to this problem of competition is hard and smart work. This means you need to learn those skills which are hard to learn but pay more than those old and competitive skills. So I am here to tell you the top 10 Python skills that actually work and can really help you to earn money with Python. Develop machine learning models. Machine learning is currently one of the most trending topics right now. You may already have listened to OpenAI and ChatGPT already and may already know that these are using artificial intelligence and machine learning at their core. Python is considered the best programming language for machine learning. Build web applications. As I already told you, freelancing is old but is still a relevant field to earn money with Python in 2023. I always visit freelancing sites and always found much freelancing work related to Python and other IT related tasks. Even sometimes I hire freelancers for different tasks, so this is also a decent idea for earning money with Python. Develop automation scripts. Many companies are looking for ways to automate their business process, and Python is a great language for building automation scripts. You could offer your services as an automation consultant or develop your own automation tools and sell them online. You can find problems and create an automation tool to solve the problem with Python. Create data analysis tools. Python has several powerful libraries such as pandas and numpy that make it easy to analyze and manipulate data. If you have experience with data analysis, you could develop your own data analysis tools and sell them online. And develop chatbots. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular for customer service and other business applications. Python has several libraries such as NLTK and Spacy that make it easy to build chatbot. You could offer your services as a chatbot developer or develop your own chatbot and sell it to the business. Offers Python training. Python is still in the growing phase as many Indians and other country schools are considering Python programming language in schools and adding it to the syllabus. I know my one friend from IIT, he has said that everyone wants to go with Python because it's easy to learn and writing programs is also super easy as compared to other programming language like Java, C++, JavaScript. Don't think that Python has reached its saturation point because there is still a number of people who are going to learn Python due to Python high demand. Due to Python high demand, you can offer Python training or live classes. You can register a new company or can directly start as an individual Python mentor. You can use Google Ads to get your new customers. Develop games. Developing games with Python is not recommended but if you are passionate about how games are developed, then you can go with Python. Python offers two great libraries, Pygame and Arcade. They both are fast and developing games is easy with these two libraries. You can develop games with Python and sell them on marketplaces like Microsoft stores and Apple stores. Creating plugins and extensions. Many popular software applications such as Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets allow users to develop their own plugins and extensions. Amit Agarwal is one of man team making 20 million per year building niche Google plugins. Click here how know about Python. अमित अग्रवाल। तो पाइथन से अर्निंग करने का तरीका कर हमने आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर डिस्कस किया। वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, हमें इजाज़त दीजिए। Goodbye.